Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something incredibly exciting for all the sports enthusiasts and music lovers out there. Have you ever wished for headphones that offer top notch sound quality, all day comfort, and absolute safety when you're out running, cycling, or just living your active life? Well, wish no more because today we're diving into Oladance OWS Sports Headphones, and trust me, these are a game changer. So, what exactly is OWS? OWS stands for Open Wearable Stereo. This cutting edge technology was pioneered by a former Bose team. They understood the risk associated with bone conduction headphones and decided to create something revolutionary. The result? Oladance OWS Sports Headphones. Now let's talk about why OWS is the way to go. Firstly, no risk of hearing loss. With traditional bone conduction headphones, there can be some serious auditory risk, but Oladance open ear design eliminates that worry. You get superior sound quality without compromising your ear health. And speaking of sound quality, these headphones offer epic sound with a bass that will make you feel like you're running with the live band.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now, comfort is key when it comes to sport headphones, and Oladance OWS nails it. Thanks to the comfortable ear breathing design, you can wear these for hours without getting any ear fatigue. Plus, with up to 15 hours of playtime, you won't have to worry about them dying on you during a marathon. Whether that's a literal marathon or just a long day at work or home. Now let's talk scenarios. These headphones are perfect for outdoor running, cycling, hiking, and even city commutes. In the gym, no problem. They stay put during intense workouts, and with an IPX8 water resistance rating, a little sweat or rain is no issue at all.
Sauna all.
And then they aren't just for sports. When you're at home, you can take calls or join meetings while still being aware of your surroundings. Need to respond to your family? Easy peasy. The same goes for the office. Enjoy your music or podcast and still chat with colleagues without any hassle.
Damn!
One feature that I absolutely love is the physical button. It's so convenient. You can control your music and calls with just a press of a button. No fumbling around with touch controls that don't always respond. And let's not forget about multi-point connectivity. You can connect the OWS sports headphones to two devices at once and switch between them seamlessly. Imagine listening to a podcast on your tablet and then taking a call on your phone without missing a beat. Finally, these headphones are IPX8 water resistant. So whether you're caught in the rain or sweating it out in the gym, these Oladance OWS sports headphones can handle it all. Just rinse them off, dry them, and they're good to go.
Yeah, boy.
So right now we're chilling and we have our phone right here. We're just gonna connect it really quickly to our phone. Let's play some music. And by the way, this is after I got it wet on the shower. So it does still work. Pretty cool, right? It's really good. It's just great quality. Let's test out YouTube no copyright songs here so I don't get copyrighted. And let's see how loud it can get. And if you guys can hear it, I have it in max right now. As you could see there. You can really hear the bass. Really cool. Even though it's a stereo, technically, it doesn't connect to your ear. It's not inside your ear. I believe that this helps a lot, especially if people are around you. They might hear your music, but at least you still converse with them. Not bad. Now let me know if you can hear it. I'm gonna take it off right now and see if you guys can hear it here. Obviously, because it's a stereo type of headphones, there's some sound leak. But actually, to be honest with you, it's not that bad. Expected to have more leaks, but yeah. One thing to like to notice as well is that's where you charge it. It's kind of like a magnetic piece there. Pretty cool via USB. So there you have it. The Oladance OWS sports headphones are truly the ultimate sports headphones. They offer amazing sound quality, incredible comfort, and a design that keeps you safe and aware of your surroundings. Forget about bone conduction headphones. It's time to meet the future with the Oladance OWS Sports. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Until next time, stay active and keep the music playing.